Alrighty, so I am back, and I had to charge my mic up a little bit, so I went ahead and spent some time. I put the plunger caps on here and on the back side here, and I also put this this one little rod back on. Pretty easy stuff. So now we're going to go ahead and start putting this guy back together. So we got to get the plunger back down in there first. I like to use this Super Lube silicone oil here. Really does a nice job of lubricating things up. Here's, I don't know if you can see that. That is what was left of the front plunger. So we just want to kind of work our, there it goes. Okay, so now the front gears go to the bottom. Work that up into the, so you gotta be careful here while you're pushing it in. There's a spot right here where it can catch. Make sure you get that past that spot there. There it goes. We want to make sure it doesn't get caught on the holes here. Alright, so this is what it looked like up inside there. Let me, I know you can't see what I'm doing here, but I am just getting a screwdriver down on the back side of the plunger and pushing it down inside. Okay, so we are all the way down inside, and looks like I need to want these gears to be evenly spaced on both sides, so when we get our other one in there we can reinstall these little gears. So now this is where it really gets difficult and maybe tough to keep you guys in frame here, but we're going to go ahead and try to compress this spring. Can I use a clamp? Ooh, that just might work. Alright, so now gear goes in like that, and that cap screws on. Okay, now we carefully flip it over. And we need to get this other gear. Oh, look at that. Nice and straight too. Okay. So here goes our other cap. It's lining right up with the hole for the set screw. So is that one. So that should be good. So now I should be able to release the spring pressure and nothing should go anywhere. Alrighty, I think we're home free just about here, folks. So let's go ahead and that screws on there, and then this little set screw is going to go in there. Like that. And these little tiny screws need to go in the top of the gear covers. One. What I want to do before something I should have done before I put it all together here. I didn't put any kind of lube inside here for these little gears, so I'm going to fix that right now. Kept backing up until I felt the thread fall into the other thread. And there's the hole for our set screw. Pull that other one back out and put some lube inside there too. If that set screw, if that hole wasn't lined up, the set screw would not go all the way in like that, so I know I had those lined up good. So let me take this one back out again. Gun probably would have ran fine for a little while, but without any lube in here, probably would have ended up chewing these gears up. So this is looking like it's going to be a pretty long video, so I might do a disassembly and then reassembly, two-part. Boy, that's pretty precise. You got to have that just right. There it goes. Alrighty. So there we go. That's that. All right, let's get this trigger mechanism put back together here, and hopefully she'll fire. So first thing we want to do is get this cocking arm back in here. That, then that, and then the roll pin. Too far. Oh, come on. All right, it's nice and even now. Okay, so I think the next piece to go back in would be the trigger. Trigger spring. It's got to tuck underneath and front here. Oh, fiddly bits. Now, the roll pin for the trigger. Actually, not even held in with a Okay, we just need the sear bar here. Goes in here like so. And this spring retains it all in place. Like that. Okay. I think we're all back together here, folks. Ooh. Let me see here. Never want to shoot a gun without a pellet in it. All right, I'm going to go over and pop this into the rag bag here. Haha! I think we're doing good. Let's get this grip handle back on here. Okay, so we've got grip screws and the other handle screw that goes in here. Okay, there's that. Now our handles. Go on like that. One right there. One right there. That is a Phillips head. Actually, I got a Phillips head right here. Okay, back to the regular camera. All right, definitely going to make this into a two-piece video here. Let me go ahead, I'm going to pause the camera and get my downrange camera set up, and we'll see how it's shooting. Stand by. Alrighty, so I am back. I've got my downrange camera going. The battery's almost dead on that, so hopefully this is going to keep going for us long enough to get a couple shots off here. But let's go ahead and I will do another video just kind of shooting this thing and doing some chronograph testing with it, but this is just the repair video and initial testing. So let's go ahead and see if we can hit anything. Oh, it's hitting low. But it's firing nice. Definitely got a lot more power than it did when it came in. Alright, still need to come up. Alright, let's see what we got now. There we go. Now we're talking. This thing's shooting nice. Now, just like the my personal one, it is absolutely no recoil at all. This is so nice. Roger's going to be very happy. One more. Let's go for that round splatter burst there. Oh, hit a little low. But anyway, there you guys go. That is Was quite a project, but she's all back together, shooting really good. We'll do it, like I said, we'll do another video testing some pellets and going across the chronograph, test the trigger on it. It's got a really nice trigger. But there you go, another successful repair. Hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.